So, heaven's reward policy. So, ito yung lahat ng sakripisyo mo at lahat ng self-denial mo, ini-expect mo magpe-pay off. Pero dahil hindi naman laging nangyayari, yung sinasabi nila, pag tumulong ka, you get anything in return, but not all the time. Yung sinasabing heaven's reward policy. So, yun yung sinasabi. Pumapasok din yung kasabihan doon na less expectations. Expect less from people because of this heaven's reward policy. So, yun, dun pala nakuha yun. And then, frustrated tayo kapag hindi naibalik yung tulong natin. Halimbawa, sa magkakamag-anak, tinulungan mo, kapatid mo, nanay, tatay mo. And then, pag hindi ka tinulungan pabalik, hindi ka nabigyan ng pabor pabalik, bitter ka. Diba, naawa ka, sarili mo, galit ka. So, yun yung heaven's reward policy. You expect people to help you back dahil natulungan mo sila. Kaya pala, nabuo yung kasabihan na expect less from people o expect nothing from people. Huwag kang mag-expect, huwag kang mag-antay ng kapalit. Yun pala yun. Because of that heaven's reward policy. Kasi, yun na nga, di ba? Sinasabi nga na the Lord would give you what you need. It doesn't mean na yung kailangan mo, yun yung gusto mo. So, yun lang po.